In this video, I'll show you how to send Bitcoin on Cash App without verification. Many users have been asking if there is a way to bypass the verification process, so I will walk you through the facts clearly. Now let's get started. Once you open your Cash App, tap the $10 button at the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, tap on Bitcoin to enter the Bitcoin section. Normally, when everything is enabled, you should see options such as buying, selling, sending, and withdrawing Bitcoin. The main button we are looking for is the Send option. However, many users notice that this button is not active for them, and the reason is simple. Cash App requires identity verification before you can send, receive, buy, or withdraw Bitcoin. If you open the verification details, you will clearly see that without verifying your identity, you can only view the Bitcoin tab. All the functional features, including sending Bitcoin, remain locked. This means that no matter what workaround you try, the app will not allow Bitcoin transactions unless your identity is verified. Cash App's policy is strict on this due to security and regulatory reasons. So to answer the big question, no, you cannot send Bitcoin on Cash App without verification. Verification is mandatory before any Bitcoin-related transactions can take place. Once you verify your identity, all features will instantly become available, and you will be able to buy, send, receive, and withdraw Bitcoin without restrictions, and that's it.